How to use the Gemini Mobile App. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, you will see options like deposit, withdraw, and your watch list where you can track your favorite cryptocurrencies. This is also where you can manage your portfolio quickly and efficiently. Next, tap on Explore to search for top traded coins, market movers, trending assets, and more. This section helps you stay updated with the latest market trends and discover new investment opportunities. By using the middle button indicated by two arrows, you can access features like buy, sell, convert, deposit, and withdraw, making it simple to manage your trades directly from the app. The card section allows you to manage your Gemini card for payments, while the activity tab shows your open orders, transaction history, and other account activities, helping you keep track of all your actions in one place. Now you know how to use the Gemini mobile app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.